Thank you for being here with me today. I'm Fabiola Cáceres, Director of Education at the Dykeman Farmhouse Museum. Today we're going to harvest some mint. We are growing different types of varieties, mint varieties. Pineapple mint, orange mint, chocolate mint, spearmint. And we're going to use it for lime mint coconut sugar scrap. Super easy to do and perfect for the summer heat. So let's begin. This is, and I can also cut some of the flowers to start saving seeds. That's definitely an option. You're gonna let the plant grow more and live longer if you do. But today I'm just gonna focus on harvesting some of these beautiful varieties, and I don't need that much. I'm just gonna go, this is actually lemon balm, it smells amazing, and I'm going to, instead of cutting the top, I'm just gonna cut some of these big ones here. So they're ready for this beautiful sugar scrap we'll make today. Okay, this is enough for, more than enough for one jar, and you'll see how it goes when we are prepping. Hi there, we're gonna start doing the mint lime coconut scrap. We're gonna start with our mason jar. This is a quartz mason jar. And I'm gonna use this as my measuring cup. I'm gonna fill this with sugar. It could be white sugar, brown sugar, coconut sugar. Just make sure that you're putting something organic that has no pesticides in your body. And we're gonna add this to our bowl. And we're gonna start by adding 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, also organic. We're gonna start with that, and I'm gonna mix. You can use your hands, you can use a spoon. See, the texture has changed rather quickly. It's not quite there just yet, but it's good enough for this phase of the recipe. It's a little dry, but it has an after texture, an oily after texture, which is what we're looking for. Now we're gonna add the mint leaves. I shred them in advance. There are 5 leaves in here. And I'm gonna mix. And I'm going to grab an organic lime and start shredding on this side of the grater. This is gonna add a lime green color to your scrap. Note that if you want that color effect, you're gonna need to use white sugar. Because the brown sugars, the green will get lost on the brown sugars, but not the scent or the feeling of it. So it's up to you. It's your scrap. And we'll mix. The mint and the lime zest has created an added texture. So we're gonna need more oil. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon and mix. starting to look better. You don't want a runny scrub because that will wash off your skin when you're in the shower, and you don't want it to be too dry that it feels like it's scratching your skin and not adding the layer of oil to moisturize it kind of like at the same time. That's the feeling that we're looking for. Scrubbing and moisturizing at the same time, deep moisturizing because of the oil. I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of coconut oil. This is a delicious scrub for the summer because the mint will leave this very refreshing cooling effect on your skin, and the oil will make you feel like really moisturized, especially after a beach day or a day in the city with this heat. It's nice to have to pamper yourself. That's it. And now mason jar. And I'll start adding it, and it should fit perfectly because that's the measuring that we use at the beginning, so it should all be just right. And here are your sugar scrubs based on coconut, mint, and lime. They will last you 2 weeks in the refrigerator because of the fresh lime and the mint. And if you don't have, if you only want to use sugar and oil, it can last without refrigeration for a long time.